Hi, Brian Webb here with Sunstoppers in Northeast Oklahoma. As you can probably tell, we're at a local school today, and the reason we're here is we're installing window film like we do every other day, but this is not just regular solar window film. A lot of people don't know this product exists, but what we're installing today is a film called Security Silver 15. One question we get a lot is security film bulletproof? And it is not bulletproof, but what it's designed to do is keep intruders out. The glass will still break, but that does not mean the glass is going to fall out, and it does not mean you're going to gain access to the building. You can see out this film just fine, but you cannot see inside this building. It has a very reflective exterior finish. Myself and my staff have children in school. Security is not something we take lightly, and I'd be lying to you if I said that when my wife drops our kids off at school every day, you know, there's always that thought in the back of your head of what if. We think these things are never going to happen to us, but that's what everyone thinks. I spent a long time in law enforcement and the military. I'm not unfamiliar with security and the reasons we need it. This is not a cure-all, but it is an extra layer of security that will at the very least slow someone down and provide enough time for someone in law enforcement to respond or for the people inside to get away. And we give free estimates for this product, so if this is something that you might be interested in or could benefit the facility where you or your children are during the day or any time at all, just give me a call at 918-273-8471. We'd be glad to come take a look and see if we can help.